This is Rick Herron, and I've got something interesting to talk to you about today. You can see up on your screen is a link to Barnes& and Noble, and it's about what you need to know about home equity loans. Now, if you were trying to find out something, maybe you wanted to get a home equity loan, what would you do? Well, you'd want to read up about it, of course. You'd want to know a little bit about it, but I'm not sure if you know exactly where to go to look for it. It could be a little daunting. There's a lot of information out there, and some of it is rather confusing and a lot of $2 words and something that I might not even understand. I wanted to be able to talk to you about something that's easy to understand and easy to put into use. And I found something that's real good, and that's this what's up on the screen right now. It's a specific page on Barnes& and Noble, and it's called, as you can see, What You Need to Know About Home Equity Loans. Now, the chapter titles in this are rather interesting. One chapter title, Equity in Homes. Another, First-Time Home Buyer Equity. A comparative analysis of equity loans. Always place potential equity over value. Now, I'm reading chapter titles. Becoming a refinance equity loan expert. Comparing tax-deductible equity loans. Filling out equity applications. An introduction to self-employed equity loans. Equity loans with cash back. Now, here's an excerpt from equity loans with cash back, just to give you an idea the value of the information that's included. Quote, loans that offer cash back are optional for home buyers searching for cash to pay off debts or improve the value on their property. Fixed rate loans often offer lower interest rates than cashback loans. However, fixed rate loans generally fluctuate on the rates of interest. There are options provided in the loan agreement in most instances. Cashback loans against equity have penalties or redemption penalties, but do not force the borrower to follow strict rules. The lenders often write a clause adding it to the terms and conditions, thus putting a higher risk on the borrower, end quote. That's just an excerpt from it. More chapter titles are An Introduction to Variable Equity Loans, Home Equity Fixed Loans, Equity State Rates, and Equity Loan Negotiation. Finding equity loans risk-free, determining your closing equity costs. Equity compared, how lenders decide whether or not to accept your application. Finding the perfect equity remodeling loan package. Now, this is also very encompassing in that it touches on many, many things which you need to know. And this ebook is available from Barnes& and Nobles and the Apple Store. Now you can go right to this website, and I certainly hope that you will, and look at the information that's included within, and you can even read a sample by flipping over the corner page. What I do recommend you do next is look below this video where the description block is, and you'll see a link to this particular page, which is on your screen on Barnes& and Noble that I'm talking about. Go ahead, click on that link. It'll take you to this page where you'll find the information that I think you'll find interesting. If you find after looking over this is what you want, great. I've saved you some time. And certainly this is a very, very serious and somewhat complicated situation. So really, really get to know what you're doing before you go to a bank or lending institution. Please do. Now, this is an ebook, means that as soon as you order it, it's available to you to download, and you can be reading it within the hour. Okay, that's it for today. Please remember to click on the link below and check it out. Thanks for watching.